Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna play with some slime, and we have inside a surprise slime. Okay, let's get started with Susie. The first one is B. I love the yellow one. Ooh, it's so soft. Okay, we have slime here, fluffy slime. Susie loves slime? She really likes slime. Okay guys, let's get the surprise. Ooh, I see something blue here. Ooh, that's little rabbit. Cute. And we have here its color. And it's a real color, guys. So adorable. It's so cute. And I like the color of slime. And it's really stretchy and so soft. Okay, the next one, it's be a pink one. And it's really soft too. You wanna play with this slime, Susie? Okay, let's see what is a surprise. And it's really soft too. Ooh. Ooh, we have a Chupa Chup surprise. It's a puppy. So cute. I really like Chupa Chup surprise, guys. Susie like the blue slime. Okay, the last one, it's the blue one. This one, it's really soft, guys. This one, it's be my favorite slime. And this one, it's be my favorite color. Ooh, that is so soft. I really like it. Okay, let's see what is the surprise. Ooh, it's something big. Ooh, that is cute. I like the flower here. Okay, what is this? Ew, I know this, but I don't remember her name. Okay. I like color. But my favorite color is this one. My favorite slime is this one. Okay guys, there is a surprise. And it's really cute. And so small too. Look how adorable. So cute. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it to him a big like. And subscribe to my channel. Write to the comment, where is your favorite toy? My favorite toy, I think it's be the puppy. I really like it and how she turning around herself. And I really like this one too. And where is your favorite slime? It is the yellow one, and it's and there is, or the blue slime, or the pink one. My favorite color it's be the yellow one. My favorite slime it's be this one. It's super soft, guys. Okay guys, bye. See you to my next video. Say bye. Bye.